Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make green moong and chana ki sabji. So I am going to mix this chana and the green moong together and make one curry. So while making the curry, I will show you the ingredients. So come on, let us start the recipe. I hope you all will like my channel. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. Let us start the recipe. I have put some mustard oil, four onions sliced up. This I will put in. I have taken 3 bay leaves. Put this in. Fry the onions till it gets brown. Onions are almost turned brown. Put in the ginger garlic paste. Put turmeric powder. Put 1 spoon chili powder and 1 spoon sabji masala. Masala should turn brown. Now put in the green moong. Put in the chana also, soaked chana. Mix it well. Put some salt. Put the chopped tomatoes. I've put in the chopped tomatoes. Mix it well. Put the water in. Put garam masala powder. Put in some coriander leaves. Cover it and let it cook for a while. Green moong and chana ki sabji is ready to be eaten. हरी मूंग और चना की सब्जी.